Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2022 Can-Am SPYDER F3 Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This vehicle has 3,483 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measure this vehicle's charging output of 14 volts, the front left tire at 730 seconds, the front right at 730 seconds, and the rear tire at 830 seconds. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this vehicle so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this vehicle's age and mileage, we point out everything we see as flaws not caused by normal riding. There are gouges and scratches on the front left wheel, a paint transfer blemish on the left saddlebag, and scratches on the foot plastics. This vehicle has an owner's manual and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, a multifunction 2-speaker audio system, and reverse. It's been upgraded with passenger armrests and a windshield. This vehicle has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This vehicle comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.